Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Realme C20A. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C20A and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here home screen, lock screen, magazines. After click over the scroll all the way down and you're going to find here set wallpaper. After click over set wallpaper, you're going to find here two options, which is static wallpaper and is photos. Static wallpaper is by preloaded by this Realme C20A. You can easily choose any of them. Also, you can download. There is a bunch of wallpaper available. You can directly download, or if you decide to apply this, you can easily just apply it, and that's going to be a download, and it's going to be applied in your Realme C20A. You can see this picture is going to be download, and let me make here let me go back and let me make here apply. Now if you doesn't have this Realme account, it will ask you to sign in your account. So I'm going to click here sign in with password, and then I'm going to click here new user password, and then I'm going to register my user. So anything you want to do in Realme 9 and Realme C20A, you need to set up your Realme account, and later on you can do any modification you want. Now it's saying to draw, so I'm going to just bring these things right over here, okay, like this, and then you can see it's saying to allow. Okay, let me say saying to sending a notification in my email. So I'm just waiting to receive the email. You see, I receive an email, and this is the code 535382. So let me make here, type the code 535382, and let me click here next. And this is the country. Okay, let me make here, and also let me choose a password, and let me I have read, and let me click here next. And see, I'm just trying to finish. This is like anything if you want to do in your Realme C20A, you need to create a Realme account, and after that you can easily do changing theme or changing wallpaper or downloading the front, etc. A lot of things you can do. So anything you want to do, you need to create an account. Anyway, let me choose this set as, and let me choose set as home screen wallpaper. Let me choose that, and let me go back completely. Now you can see just now I had successfully changed my Realme C20A lock screen wallpaper. Now you can see I had successfully changed my Realme C20A wallpaper. Now you might be looking for how to set your favorite picture in this wallpaper. For that, you need to click here setting, scroll down and click here home screen and lock screen, scroll down and then click here set wallpaper, and then choose the photos, and it will give you all the photos currently have in your phone. Let me choose the camera, and let me choose this picture, and let me click here set as, and let me click here set as home screen wallpaper. Let me go back. You can see just now I had successfully changed my home screen wallpaper in my Realme C20A. So within this way you can easily change wallpaper in your Realme C20A. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.